This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 70. When ease feels unsafe. Why calm can trigger tension after long-term effort. There is a strange moment that appears after stability begins. Things are easier, effort is lower, life feels more manageable. And suddenly unease appears. The body tightens. The mind looks for problems. Old urgency returns. This is often misunderstood as self-sabotage. Biologically, it is not. When the nervous system has lived in effort for a long time, ease is unfamiliar. Struggle became the signal for safety. If I am pushing, I am protected. If I am alert, nothing will catch me off guard. So when ease arrives, the system asks, why are we relaxed? What are we missing? Is danger coming? Calm does not yet feel earned, it feels suspicious. This is why people recreate pressure, overwork, overthinking, emotional intensity, not because they want pain, but because effort feels predictable. Ease requires a new form of trust, not trust in outcomes, but trust in regulation. The system must learn I can stay safe without pushing. I can rest without losing ground. This learning takes time. If calm feels uncomfortable, if ease makes you restless, nothing is wrong. Your nervous system is updating its definition of safety. Let ease arrive slowly. Your system is learning a new language. Next episode. Why boredom appears before curiosity returns. Thank you.